Filing for long-term disability benefits is hard enough, but when your LTD claim is handled by a third-party administrator like Sedgwick Claims Management Services, the process can feel even more complex and more frustrating. Sedgwick manages claims on behalf of major employers and insurers. That means they don't always have your best interests in mind. If you've received a denial from Sedgwick, or you're worried about how they'll handle your claim, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Leah Small. I'm managing attorney here at Chisholm & Kilpatrick, a leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'll walk you through how Sedgwick handles LTD claims, common reasons for claim denials, and what you can do to fight back. But first, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Sedgwick is a third-party claims administrator, or TPA, not an insurance company. They manage LTD claims for major employers and insurers. Their role is to evaluate your claim and recommend an approval or a denial, but they do not pay benefits directly. However, even though they are not paying benefits themselves, because they work for the employer or insurer, their goal is still often to minimize payouts. There can be many different reasons that Sedgwick gives for denying an LTD claim. They may claim there's insufficient medical evidence to support your disability. They may argue that your medical condition simply isn't severe enough to prevent you from doing your job. Or they may rely on surveillance and social media monitoring to discredit claimants and their reported disability. Often, Sedgwick will rely on file reviews rather than in-person exams to evaluate claims. With that, your treating physician's opinion may be ignored or dismissed in favor of Sedgwick's internal reviewers. If your LTD claim is denied by Sedgwick, you should not give up. You have the right to file an administrative appeal of that denial. You want to read your denial carefully to make sure you understand their asserted bases for the decision. You should collect strong medical evidence combating their reasons for the denial, and consider obtaining additional documentation such as vocational expert reports, symptom journals, or physician reports to combat the denial. Your appeal should directly address Sedgwick's stated bases for the denial, and you want to avoid submitting vague or incomplete evidence. As always, you should be aware that you can hire an attorney to assist you with the appeal as well. If you are pursuing an LTD appeal with Sedgwick, there are strict rules that apply if your claim is governed by ERISA. For example, you must exhaust all appeals before you can file a lawsuit to obtain your LTD benefits. In addition, there are time limits that apply to filing an appeal, and so you want to read your policy carefully to make sure you understand those. The appeal decision is going to be based on evidence in your claim file, which means no new evidence can be submitted after the stage in most cases if the appeal is denied. As part of its appeal review, Sedgwick may use external physicians to review your case, or it may try to send you for an IME or independent medical exam. This appeal stage is typically the best time to talk with an attorney if you haven't already. Dealing with Sedgwick can feel like an uphill battle, but you don't have to face it alone. If your LTD claim has been denied or delayed, or if you need help preparing a strong appeal, our legal team is here for you. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.